Hi, welcome to the Hoppers Down Under. I just thought I'd take a little walk this morning around the trail tracks around Jerilderie, New South Wales, Australia. I thought I'd walk down to the water and have a look and see what's around. Then I came across this little beehive. I'll just bring you in a tick. Well, they're busy. They're back and forwards. I don't know how many's down there. Could you imagine all the yummy honey down there though? Yum. Well, all I can tell you, there is a lot of gum trees around, so be interesting. They're quite busy, aren't they? Anyway, better let these little guys do what they need to do, and I'm not disturbing them, they're not disturbing me, so it's quite good. Alright then, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, enjoy your life.